Can a blockchain really prioritize people over bots? Worldcoin says yes. Today we're exploring Worldcoin's innovative launch of a blockchain that's all about you, the user. Let's break down what Worldchain really is. It's a blockchain network that integrates seamlessly with Ethereum, yet operates at a layer 2 to reduce congestion and speed up transactions. It's designed from the ground up to prioritize transactions from real people like you and me over automated bots that often clog up other networks. You might be wondering, how does this all work? Well, it's all about prioritizing human interactions. In a typical blockchain, everyone fights for block space, humans and bots alike. But Worldchain changes the game. It uses a verification process involving Worldcoin's unique orb, the eyeball scanning device to confirm you're human. This means your transactions get priority, speeding things up and reducing those pesky fees that add up. And for the tech heads out there, this is done through a set of sophisticated smart contracts, ensuring a smooth and secure user experience. Now, let's discuss privacy and controversy. Worldcoin's orb technology, while groundbreaking, raised some eyebrows, particularly concerning privacy. The idea of scanning your retina might sound a bit sci-fi and invasive, right? But here's what you need to know. The data collected is encrypted heavily, aiming to protect your identity at all costs. Plus, recent updates have further tightened these privacy measures, responding proactively to user concerns and regulatory scrutiny. It's all part of Worldcoin's commitment to creating a safe and user-centric platform. Looking forward, the prospects for Worldchain are as exciting as they are vast. With its official rollout slated for this summer, the network aims to not only provide a robust platform for transactions, but also integrate seamlessly with other major blockchain projects. This isn't just about creating another blockchain, it's about building a whole new ecosystem that supports real-world applications and digital identities, making your crypto experience smoother and more connected. So, what do you think? Is Worldchain the future of blockchain technology? Can it truly redefine how we interact with digital identities and keep our transactions swift and secure? I'm eager to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let's discuss. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more cutting-edge crypto insights, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. See you next time.